Hey, hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can cancel DirectTV streaming box subscription. All official ways, all steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started.
To cancel your DirectTV stream, you will be required to visit the DirectTV official page and sign into your account. Go to your account details section and then go to My TV subscription. There, hit the Manage My Subscription button. Now click on Cancel My Subscription to terminate the services. If you are determined to cancel DirectTV after going through the offers provided by them, click on the Chat to Cancel button. You will be provided with a confirmation message where you can click on Got it to confirm the cancellation. The customers are then required to contact the customer support department by dialing their DirectTV number 1-800-531-5000. You will be connected to an agent and must confirm your identity and other information. Once the cancellation is done, you will be provided with a confirmation email from them. And you are done.
Dear friends, by using this method you can easily cancel your DirectTV streaming box subscription. So if you are getting all the points, if yes, please hit the like button, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.